Most construction sites are incomplete without the ubiquitous wheel loader, also known as a wheel excavator or a payloader. As their name suggests, these machines use wheels instead of tracks to move around a job site. But aside from that, they have a lot more in common with their track-based cousins. Like other excavators, wheel loaders have a boom, an arm, a bucket, and a lifting mechanism called a hoist. These components work together to allow the machine to do a variety of tasks, such as loading materials onto trucks, digging, and grading. They're particularly well suited for lighter-duty excavation and material handling jobs. The design of a wheel loader makes it easier to move large quantities of material over longer distances than other types of excavators. Wheel loaders typically have a rated load capacity between 1 and 10 tons. And there are several different types of wheel loaders, each suited for different applications. For instance, some have a telescopic boom that allows them to load materials to a height of up to 20 feet. Others have a more traditional straight boom, but a rotating drum to help level loads as they're being scooped. There are also many different attachments that can be used with a wheel loader, including buckets, backhoes, grapples, hammers, augers, dozers, and more. This versatility makes wheel loaders useful for a wide range of construction tasks, which is why you'll find them at construction sites, demolition sites, in quarries and mines, on road crews, and even farms. While the basic design of a wheel loader hasn't changed much over the years, technology has certainly improved performance and efficiency. Today's modern wheel loaders feature advanced hydraulic systems that allow operators to perform complex tasks with ease. Some even have a hydrostatic transmission, meaning they don't need a separate engine to power the wheels. Instead, the hydraulic system powers the wheels directly, resulting in smoother, more efficient operation. Another important development in wheel loader technology is the introduction of telematics, which allows contractors to monitor their equipment in real time. Telematics can provide valuable data on things like fuel consumption, engine hours, and location, which can help contractors make informed decisions about maintenance and repairs. Some telematics systems even allow contractors to set up alerts so they can be notified right away if there's a problem with their equipment. This can help prevent costly downtime and keep the equipment running smoothly. Although wheel loaders are generally safe to operate, as with any heavy machinery, there are potential hazards that can cause serious injury or even death if the proper safety precautions are untaken. One of the main dangers of operating a wheel loader is the risk of rollovers. These can occur if the machine is overloaded, if it's not operated properly, or if the ground beneath it gives way. To prevent rollovers, operators should always make sure that they're within the machine's weight capacity, that they're not overloading the bucket, and that they're driving on level, stable ground. Another hazard of operating a wheel loader is the risk of falling objects. If the load isn't properly secured, it could shift or fall, causing serious injury or death. To prevent this, operators should always make sure that their loads are secure before they start moving. And they should never reach over the back of the loader to retrieve an object. Perhaps one of the most recognizable features of a wheel loader is its distinctive bucket. There are many different types of wheel loader buckets, each designed for a specific purpose. The most common type of bucket is the standard or general purpose bucket, which is used for a wide range of materials such as dirt, sand, and gravel. Other common types of buckets include the 360-degree bucket, which can rotate 360 degrees to make loading easier, and the telescopic bucket, which has a telescopic boom that allows it to reach higher than a standard bucket. In addition to the type of bucket used, the capacity of the wheel loader is another important consideration. A wheel loader's capacity is typically measured in cubic feet or in metric units, cubic meters. The larger the capacity, the more material the loader can carry in a single load. When choosing a wheel loader for a particular job, it's important to consider the type of material that will be handled and the capacity of the loader. For example, a loader with a capacity of 4 cubic feet would not be suitable for handling large boulders, whereas a loader with a capacity of 8 cubic feet would be able to handle them easily. Overall, wheel loaders are an essential piece of equipment on many construction sites, demolition sites, and other workplaces. With their versatility, efficiency, and power, these machines help businesses get the job done quickly and safely. Whether you're looking for a machine to help you with your next construction project, or you just need a reliable piece of equipment for your business, the wheel loader is definitely worth considering.